Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a keto granola. It's chocolatey and so wonderful and just low carb keto friendly. And as always, I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions, which you can click through to pin, bookmark and save for when you want to make granola. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this recipe a try. So the ingredients I have, now there's only 8 ingredients here and pretty much most of them were from Aldi as well. So definitely check Aldi, you don't need to spend a fortune to put this granola together. It can be quite economically friendly. And the bulk of the granola will be these sunflower seeds over here, which were super cheap at Aldi, and because sunflower seeds are so cheap, they can easily form the bulk of a granola without it costing a fortune. So we've got sunflower seeds, I've got some flaked almonds over here. You can use flaked almonds, and I've got cashews as well, which I'm going to chop up. You can mix and match whatever nuts you like. You can use really almonds, cashews as I've got here. You can use macadamias, hazelnuts, pecans, really anything, or seeds, pumpkin seeds. You can use chia seeds. Just mix and match it however you like. And I've got coconut oil I'm going to be using to bind and bring it all together, and then also this is actually vegan and paleo friendly too. And I'm using stevia to sweeten, but just use any sweetener of choice. I've got cacao powder, but you can use cocoa powder instead for the chocolatiness. I've got a bit of desiccated coconut, but you could use shredded coconut or just leave it out if you're not a coconut fan, but there's only a little bit in it and it just adds to the granola experience. So that's why it's included. And some cacao nibs for some extra chocolatiness. And if you've actually been watching my channel a little while, you know a couple of months ago I shared a very similar recipe which was not keto friendly, and I had requests to try and make it keto friendly, and that's what I've done. And the original recipe was inspired by granola, a chocolate granola I had while we were in Rotterdam. I came home and recreated it, and it was just so good, and so I've recreated it again but made it keto friendly, taken out the maple syrup and the figs, and we've switched a couple of volumes around, and yep, it is so good. So let's get on and make the granola. I'm going to start by melting 1/3 of a cup of coconut oil and then just set it aside, so we'll do that first. So I need to melt my coconut oil. Now obviously depends where you are in the world and what season it is, because in summertime you might find the coconut oil is already melted and liquid, so half your job is done. I'm just going to pop it on low heat, melt it really quickly, and then we'll pop everything together in a bowl. The coconut oil's melted, so we'll pop everything into the bowl, starting with a cup of the sunflower seeds, 1/4 of a cup of almonds. I opened it really badly, and 1/4 of a cup of cashews, which I've just very roughly chopped up. Now it depends how sweet you want it. I'm going to go for 2 shallowish tablespoons of stevia, 2 tablespoons of the coconut, 2 tablespoons again of cocoa powder, just 2. Smells chocolatey. And a generous tablespoon of the cacao nibs, so you get chocolate in every bite. And we'll just mix it all to combine everything together. Dust it in the chocolate. Smells so good. And now we're just going to pour over the coconut oil. Okay, so we've got the melted coconut oil just getting poured over, and then just mix it through so it's all coated in the coconut oil. This smells so incredibly chocolatey, and you can see it looks like granola already, doesn't it? Okay, now I've prepared a baking tray. Oh, and I've got the oven on too, to 100 degrees Celsius, which is 250 Fahrenheit, for getting it nice and dried out and crisp. So we'll pop it all on the baking sheet. So I've got a baking sheet lined with well-greased baking paper, and we'll pop the granola down. And I'll just use the back of my spoon to flatten it all down. You want one single layer so that it all dries out evenly. Okay, perfect. Once you're happy with it, we'll pop it into the preheated oven. It's going to go in for an hour in total, but every 20 minutes we'll take it out and give it a toss to get it all cooked nice and evenly. So I'll pop it into the oven and show you after the first 20 minutes. So it's only been 20 minutes and the house is smelling heavenly and the granola is starting to dry out just a little bit. So we just give everything a toss around so that it all gets nice and distributed evenly. Okay, and now back in the oven for another 20 minutes it goes. And the granola's been in the oven a further 20 minutes and it's getting there. Only 20 more minutes and it'll be done. I'm just tossing it all around. Get it all coated in that chocolatey goodness. It smells incredible. And the granola is out the oven and I've been leaving it to cool for a little while. So if you leave it to cool, you'll see little clusters form of all the delicious granola. And now this is incredible with some yogurt or some almond milk, or just portion control it out and then you can just have it whenever you like a nutty snack. But that is the video for today for this lovely granola that's low carb and keto friendly. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give the recipe a try, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post which has the full recipe, step-by-step instructions, as well as loads of variations too. So thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again soon. Bye.